Hi children, next problem. In logarithms exercise 1.5, sixth problem. This is very important for essay question. First read the question. If log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y, then find the value of x by y plus y by x. So here they given one condition and we have to prove x by y plus y by x value. So first look at the formulas we will use in this problem. Log of xy is equals to log x plus log y. Log of x power n is equals to n log x. Log of x by y is equals to log x minus log y. So we will use these formulas in the problem. So first write the given. Given log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2 log x plus log y. Log of x plus y by 3 is equals to 1 by 2. Once observe here, log x plus log y. Our first formula, log xy. Log of xy. Next, log x plus y by 3 is equals to, now in RHS side 1 by 2 log x by xy means it is in the form n log x formula. So n log x means you can write log x power n. So log xy whole power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 log xy, it is in the form n log x. So you have to written as log x power n means log xy whole power 1 by 2. Now if you observe means you can remove log on both sides. So remove log and write x plus y by 3 is equals to xy whole power 1 by 2. Now apply squaring on both sides. So do squaring on both sides. So it will become x plus y by 3 whole square is equals to xy whole power 1 by 2 whole square. Now separate the square. In exponents and powers we have formula a by b whole power m, which is equals to a power m by b power m. And another formula ab whole power m is equals to a power m into b power m, and a power m whole power n means a power m into n. So these formulas we will use here. First separate the power. X plus y whole square is equals to 3 whole square. Next it is in the form a power m whole power n. Can written as xy whole power 1 by 2 into 2. So 2 can cancel. So x plus y whole square by 3 square means 9, which is equals to xy. So this by 9 if you send to RHS it will become into 9. So x plus y whole square is equals to 9xy. Now x plus y whole square it is in the form a plus b whole square. We know that a plus b whole square formula. What is a plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So x plus y whole square means you can written as x square plus y square plus 2xy. In RHS side we have 9xy. X square plus y square which is equals to 9xy. So take this plus 2xy to RHS, it will become minus 2xy. X square plus y square is equals to 7xy. Now x square plus y square is equals to, take this xy to LHS, it will become into xy, which is equals to 7. Now separate the denominator with the numerator terms. X square by xy plus y square by xy, which is equals to 7. Now in x square, 1 x will cancel, in y square 1 y will cancel. So x by y plus y by x is equals to 7. So in question if you observe means they ask to find the value of x by y plus y by x. Here we got x by y plus y by x value 7. So write as conclusion, x by y plus y by x is equals to 7. So you just keep in the box. So problem is completed. Thank you.